Forget spending a lot of money on fancy packaging. I bought a lantern from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using this box, and I'm going to turn it into something that looks high-end from a boutique. Most people look right past these things without a second thought. But when you see how they come together, you'll never look at the Dollar Tree the same again. This is one of those gifts that's affordable, creative, and guaranteed to stand out. You'll want to try it for birthdays, holidays, and really anytime you want to wow. And before we get started, let me know in the comments, what's the most unexpected thing you've added to a gift? I really like to know. Alright, so let's jump right in. Let me show you how. Let's make this plain box into something that stands out. Come on. Alright, so I have gone ahead and wrapped the box. I gift wrapped the box, and I stuffed it with some, there's the boxes down in here, and then I put paper on top of it. There's quite a few boxes in here because I didn't have one the right size to fit in here. So I put a bunch of little boxes down in here, and then put newspaper, because I have a lot of newspaper, and put the newspaper around it as well, and then put shred on top. So right now, that's the way that is. What I'm going to do is, I want to start with the backer, and I have this beautiful, beautiful picture here. I'm going to put this right here, and I'm actually going to stick it in like that. I have these two skewers, and that's why I have the skewers. That is why I have the skewers. Okay. Let me turn the heat gun on. I'm going to stand up. And then I'm going to turn this around so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to move this out the way so I don't accidentally hit it. Alright. So I'm pushing that down in there like that, but it's still not going to stay. So I'm going to put skewers down here like this. I'm going to hot glue them. Okay, and it looks like I need another glue stick in here. Let's see if you're ready. Sorry, I can't see. Hold on one second. It's not ready. It's not ready. It's not ready. That's too soon, ma'am. That's too soon. So while that is warming up, it'll only be a second, then I'm still going to move on. Okay? Because we're going to put things up against it, so it's going to be fine in a second anyway. So, let's turn that around. The first thing I'm going to do is, I have this sleep mask. It's a wireless speaker mask. I'm going to put that right here. And I also have these slippers. Okay, so I'm going to put them right here. I'm going to hold this until I get it straight, okay? And then I'm going to put, this is some body wash. It is coconut milk and lavender. And it's a set, so this is the body scrub. And I'm going to get that together in a minute. And then we have some bath salts. Okay? See how that held that together? I'm going to glue dot it in just a minute. I made candles, and I also made the vessel. Okay? So this is a saucer that looks like a face, and this is the coffee cup. And I put I make soy candles and I use the wooden wicks, so that is in there. And before we get to I want to do this part, okay? Let me move this out the way. Actually, I think you should be ready by now. So, yep, it's ready. That's my fault. That is my fault. I'll get that when it cools off. Okay. Oh, I just turned this away from you. My sincere apologies. Okay. So, let me go ahead and glue dot that so it doesn't fall again. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. And I have this perfume. I've already taken it out the box. Me and this glue. Okay. So I've already taken it out the box and I'm about to put some glue on the bottom of it. Because in the bottom of this, it comes out like that. In the bottom of this is still some plastic down here. So I'm going to attach this with some hot glue, like this. And then I'm just going to put that back on there. And I put shred down at the bottom. All the way down at the bottom down there. That's what I'm pushing back in there. Okay, let's turn that around. There we go. So now, that's going to go right here. Just like that. And then, I have some gloves. I'm going to put them like this. Okay. I have some body butter. And we're going to put that right here. And then, we have some pretty earrings. And we're going to put them, let's see. I actually think I'm going to do it that way. Yes, I like that better. Now I have some place to lay the earrings, and I'm going to look at that. Actually, I'm going to put that right here on the lantern. Do I want to do that? No. No, I don't. No, I do not. Nope. Let's see, let's see. I want it to lay just like this is where the glue dot is. That's the problem here. Here we go. Yeah. There we go. There we go. I feel like it needs something. All right. I got some flowers. You know what we gonna do? You know what we gonna do? We gonna put these flowers right here. Right here. Just like that. And one there, just like that. And I stuck the stem down in the paper. It's not going anywhere. Yes. Yes. Hey guys, I want to know, what do you think? Did I bring it together? Do you like it? I think this Dollar Tree lantern and this box did exactly what I wanted it to do and more. Tell me in the comments what you would do. What would you put that was different in the box? In your box, in your gift box? Tell me. What would you do different to make this come together? I want to know. Did I miss something? Or is it just enough? Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please watch my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I really, truly appreciate all those who have subscribed. Please continue to come back and watch my videos. I hope to continue to give you more of what you came here for. Until next time, bye.